This video will demonstrate how easy it is to create an account on parts.cat.com. The first step in creating an account is to click on the Sign In and Register link. Then click on the Create Account button. If you have not already done so, you may be asked to enter a city or postal code to find your local dealer. The Select Store window identifies the closest dealer stores based on the given location. You can use these icons to select from a list or from a map or further refine the results. Click the down arrow for additional details, including store hours and directions. Indicate the store you want to purchase from and click the Select button. You are now presented with a dealer's registration form. You must complete all required registration fields. If your company already has an account established with this dealer and you know your customer number, be sure to include it here. Check the box to accept both Caterpillar's and the dealer's privacy policies. In addition, you must select Yes or No to receive future communications from Caterpillar or the dealer. After completing the registration form, click the Create Account button. You'll be asked to accept Caterpillar's and the dealer's terms and conditions. You will now be taken to the My Account section of the site. Finally, you will receive an email confirmation thanking you for registering. See our additional videos to learn how to set up your customer preferences and the various ways to find the parts you need on parts.cat.com.